Hello everyone, glad to have you here. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to enable the dark theme for all web pages in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. This feature is great for reducing eye strain and saving battery life, especially when browsing in low-light environments. Let's get started. Open the Microsoft Edge app on your mobile device. Look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the three-line menu icon. From the menu that appears, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Appearance and Layout. Finally, under Appearance options, select Dark. Finally, scroll through the settings and locate the option to force dark mode for all web pages. Turn it on. Now every website you visit will appear in dark mode, giving you a more comfortable viewing experience, especially at night. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.